If you've been feeling hopeless, let's use EFT tapping to get you feeling inspired, positive, and trusting yourself and life again. Ready? Tap on the back side of the hand, take a deep breath in, exhale, give your body a shake, repeat back after me. Even though I've been feeling hopeless, I love and accept myself. Between the eyebrows, I've been feeling so hopeless. Sides of the eyes. It feels like nothing's ever going to get better. Under the eyes. It's just felt hard for so long. Under the nose. It's understandable I've given up hope. Tapping under the lips. But what if it's possible for me to heal this? Tapping to the chest. I love and accept myself as I am. Now take a deep breath, and I want you to know we're just going to start off acknowledging some of the negative thoughts, and then we'll move into the positive affirmations. I've given thousands of EFT sessions over the last 15 years, so I really know what I'm doing. You're in good hands. Tap to the front of the ribs. This hopeless feeling. Sides of the ribs. I'm not sure that tapping's really going to shift this hopelessness. Sides of the ribs. And even if I continue to feel hopeless, I love and accept myself. Deep breath. Back side of the hand. It's really felt like life's against me. It's understandable that I've been feeling hopeless. But I'm open to the possibility that at some point in the far off future, I might start to feel hopeful again. I might feel optimistic. And I might start trusting. Big deep breath. Tapping up to the top of the head. But it's impossible for me to give up this hopelessness until life starts changing. Tapping between the eyebrows. I am committed to holding on to this hopelessness until life proves to me everything's okay again. Tapping to the sides of the eyes. But what if this hopelessness is actually coloring my experience? Under the eyes. I am open to letting go of some of this hopelessness and seeing my life in new ways. Under the nose. I am open to letting go of some of this hopelessness under the lips and starting to feel a tiny bit of gratitude. Tapping to the chest. I am open to feeling a thimble full of optimism. Tapping to the front of the ribs. I love and accept myself as I am. Deep breath, give yourself some love. Sides of the ribs. Part of me scared that if I don't keep feeling hopeless, then I'm going to be so disappointed if things don't get better. Tapping to the wrist. But I wonder if that's really true. I forgive myself for using this strategy. And it's safe for me to feel a little bit more hopeful again. Deep breath. Tapping to the back side of the hand. I'm letting go of some of this helplessness now. Top of the head. I'm letting go of some of this helplessness now. Between the eyebrows. There must be a better way for me to see my life than through this hopelessness. Tapping to the sides of the eyes. It's safe for me to start feeling hopeful again. Under the eyes, deep breath. This is the moment when my hope returns. Under the nose, I'm starting to feel my hope returning to me now. Under the lips, I forgive myself for abandoning myself. Tapping to the chest, and I'm starting to trust myself again. Front of the ribs, and I'm open to trusting life again. Sides of the ribs, it's safe for me to feel a little bit more optimistic. Tapping to the wrist, it's safe for me to feel a little bit more trusting. Back side of the hand, it's safe for me to feel a little bit more empowered. I'm getting back my spark now. Top of the head, I'm getting back my spark now. Between the eyebrows, big deep breath. Sides of the eyes. There is a spark of hope inside of me, which can never be extinguished. Under the eyes, and I am reigniting my hope now. Under the nose, I am reigniting my hope. Under the lips, it's safe for me to feel inspired and optimistic again. Tapping to the chest. What if everything's going to be okay? Front of the ribs. What would it feel like in my body to know everything's going to be okay? Sides of the ribs. But I want a guarantee from the universe that everything's going to be okay. Tapping to the wrist. It's possible things are going to work out. Backside of the hand. The universe has got my back. Everything's going to be okay. I love and trust myself. I've got this. I'm reigniting that spark of hope. Great. stroking down your arms or tapping down your arms. Good job. All right. Let me know in the comments, how are you feeling now compared to at the beginning? Subscribe to my channel. There's over 200 other videos here. There's a 5-day free tapping challenge down below. And if you want a deep dive, work with me one-on-one.